All right, now that you have shown your work for every single problem on Share and Show, I'm going to give you the answers. Make sure you're showing your work though. So use the related multiplication fact to find 42 divided by 7. Remember, related multiplication fact is your fact family. And look, they gave it to you right here. So I have 42, 6, and 7 are my factors. So what's missing here? Well, I have the 42. I have the 7. What's missing? The 6. All right, find the unknown factor and quotient. So again, we're doing fact families. I have 7 times what equals 7? 7 times 1. How about 7 divided by 7 equals 1? There we go. 7 times what equals 35, or 35 divided by 7? All right, let's do another fact family. 35 divided by 7. Let's see, 7 times what equals 35? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. I have 5 big fingers showing there. So my missing factor and quotient is 5. Find the quotient, just the quotient this time. 14 divided by 7 equals what? My dividend is 14. My divisor is 7. 7 times what equals 14? 48 divided by 6 equals what? Dividend, divisor. What's my missing number? What's my quotient going to be? 6 times what equals 48? Well, let's count it out. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. I have 8 fingers showing there. They were making sure that you were paying attention to yesterday's lesson. And 6 times 8 is 48. I like that one, it rhymes. All right, 0 divided by 7. Oh, I have the dreaded 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. And then 18 divided by 2. What's missing? 2 times what equals 18? 2 times 9 equals 18. How'd you do? Did you remember your 0 and 1 rules? Those ones definitely have rules. The rest of these were practice on other divisors that we have worked with. So I'm glad if you did really well. Again, this is my preferred method to make sure that I'm getting the correct quotient or missing factor. If you used an array, or if you used repeated subtraction, or if you used grouping like here, all of those are great ways to do this. So just because I got my answer using fact families doesn't mean that you have to use it. You can use whichever one of our strategies works best for you. As long as you're showing your work, I am a happy teacher. Okay, you are moving on to this wonderful page, Unlock the Problem. On this one, you are going to walk through the steps on solving this problem. So even if you already know the answer by just looking at the numbers, make sure you read because you never know if they're trying to trick you. You still need to walk through how you solve this problem. Like, what do you need to find? How could you use a strip diagram to help you? Here's an example of a strip diagram. What is another way that you could solve it? What's another strategy you could use? Write a related multiplication fact. What's a multiplication fact in that fact family? Complete these sentences, then fill in the bubble choice. And then you have a second question here. Go ahead and work on this, work through it, and then at the bottom you'll see a check your answer. All right, see what you can come up with on your own before you check your answer, please.